Make a great choice today with the 2015 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the MINI Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power windows, fog lights, CD player. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.